Hi everyone, Car Updater here with a fresh update on a powerful new ride, the 2025 Nissan Titan. This year Nissan has taken its full-sized pickup to a whole new level, combining toughness with technology, comfort and power all in one bold package. So if you are a truck lover or someone looking to upgrade your ride, this is a video you do not want to miss. Let us start with the design. The 2025 Titan has a bold and aggressive look. It features a redesigned front grille, updated LED headlights and a more muscular stance that makes it look ready for anything, whether you are heading off-road or cruising on the highway. This truck makes a strong first impression. The lines are clean and sharp, giving it a modern yet rugged style that really stands out. Under the hood, the 2025 Titan does not disappoint. It comes with a powerful 56-liter V8 engine delivering up to 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. This means it has the strength to tow heavy loads with ease and still give you smooth acceleration when you need it. For people who use their truck for work or travel, this power is a game changer. But it is not just about power. Nissan has also focused on making the Titan more fuel efficient with improved engine tuning and a 9-speed automatic transmission. The result is better fuel economy without losing that tough truck performance. Plus, it has different drive modes, so you can adjust the truck for snow, mud towing or everyday driving. Inside the cabin, the Titan is all about comfort and tech. You get a spacious interior with high-quality materials and plenty of legroom. The seats are supportive for long drives and the new noise cancellation system makes the ride quiet and relaxing. The 2025 model also comes with a large touchscreen display with Nissan's latest infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and even wireless charging for your devices. Safety is another big win for the new Titan. It is packed with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert and lane departure warning. Whether you are driving through the city or on a long road trip, this truck helps keep you and your passengers protected. Another cool update is the new digital instrument cluster and the 360-degree camera system. These features make parking and towing easier than ever. Plus, the Titan now offers over-the-air updates so your truck can stay up to date with the latest software improvements. In short, the 2025 Nissan Titan is built for power, comfort and reliability. It is perfect for people who want a strong, dependable truck that also feels modern and smart. Nissan has really stepped up the game this year and this truck proves it. Thanks for watching. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates every week. This is Car Updater signing off. Until next time, drive safe and stay updated.